Have you ever wondered what lies beneath your feet? Imagine a world teeming with tiny architects, engineers, and workers, all working in perfect harmony to build something extraordinary. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden realm of ant colonies, where nature's smallest builders are creating marvels that will leave you in awe. What if I told you that beneath your feet, an empire of engineers is building a future? It's true. Beneath the surface of our everyday world lies an unseen universe of ant colonies, far more complex and fascinating than you could ever imagine. From tiny tunnels to vast underground cities, these miniature marvels are about to blow your mind. Let's start by unveiling the hidden world of ant colonies. These aren't just simple holes in the ground. They're intricate, sprawling metropolises that put some human cities to shame. Picture a network of tunnels, chambers, and highways, all perfectly designed to support millions of inhabitants. It's a world that's been right under our noses, or rather, our feet all along, waiting to be discovered. But how do these tiny creatures manage to construct such elaborate structures? That's where the real magic begins. Ant colonies are masterpieces in miniature, built without blueprints or foremen. Instead, millions of ants work together in perfect synchronization, each playing a crucial role in the grand design. The secret lies in their specialized labor system. Just like in a human construction project, there are different roles to be filled. Some ants act as architects, planning out the layout of the colony. Others are the tireless excavators, digging tunnels and shaping chambers with incredible precision. And of course, there's always a security team on duty, protecting the colony from intruders. But the ingenuity doesn't stop there. These tiny engineers have developed solutions to problems that would stump even the most experienced human builders. Take ventilation, for example. How do you keep fresh air flowing through a sprawling underground network? Ants have it figured out, with intricate systems of air shafts and chambers that maintain perfect circulation. And what about flood protection? In a world where a raindrop can be as devastating as a tidal wave, ants have developed ingenious defenses. Some species create waterproof chambers, while others design drainage systems that would make a city planner jealous. It's clear that these little creatures are masters of adaptation and problem solving. Yet, a colony is more than just an impressive structure. It's a living, breathing superorganism, with every ant playing its part in the greater whole. The level of coordination and cooperation is mind-boggling. Imagine millions of individuals working together so seamlessly that they function as a single entity. That's the reality of life in an ant colony. But communication is key to this incredible feat of organization. Ants have developed sophisticated methods of sharing information, from chemical trails to physical contact. These communication networks allow them to coordinate complex tasks, distribute resources efficiently, and respond to threats in an instant. It's a level of teamwork that puts most human organizations to shame. The diversity of jobs within a colony is equally impressive. Some ants are farmers, cultivating fungi gardens deep underground. Others are ranchers, herding aphids and milking them for their sweet secretions. There are nurses caring for the young, soldiers defending the colony, and even undertakers managing the deceased. It's a complete society in miniature, with every role filled and every task accounted for. But life isn't always easy for these tiny titans. Ant colonies face a constant barrage of challenges, from predators to natural disasters. Yet time and time again, they demonstrate incredible resilience and adaptability. When faced with obstacles, ants don't give up, they innovate. Take, for example, the famous ant bridges. When confronted with a gap too wide to cross, some species of ants will link their bodies together, forming a living bridge for their nestmates to traverse. It's a stunning display of sacrifice and cooperation that puts the needs of the colony above individual survival. Their collective defense strategies are equally impressive. When under attack, ants can mobilize armies in minutes, with different species employing tactics ranging from chemical warfare to physical combat. Some ants even use their own bodies as living shields, protecting their nestmates at all costs. Perhaps most remarkable is the ability of ant colonies to thrive in wildly different environments. From the scorching deserts of the Sahara to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, ants have found ways to adapt and flourish. They've conquered nearly every habitat on Earth, proving that with the right combination of teamwork, innovation, and determination, even the smallest creatures can achieve greatness. As we marvel at the achievements of these tiny architects, it's worth asking, what can humanity learn from the ant world? The efficiency, cooperation, and sustainable practices of ant colonies offer valuable lessons for our own societies. From urban planning to resource management, there's much we could gain by studying these miniature marvels. Scientists are already drawing inspiration from ant colonies, with ongoing research into fields as diverse as robotics, logistics, and artificial intelligence. The problem-solving abilities and collective intelligence of ants are providing new insights into how we might tackle some of our most pressing challenges. As we conclude our journey into the fascinating world of ant colonies, take a moment to appreciate the true genius of nature's smallest architect. The next time you see an anthill, remember that you're looking at the tip of an iceberg, a tiny glimpse into a vast, complex world that rivals our own in its sophistication and ingenuity. These tiny creatures, often overlooked and underestimated, have built an enduring legacy that spans millions of years. They've survived ice ages, outlasted dinosaurs, and continue to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Perhaps, in their silent, industrious way, they're showing us a path to our own future, one built on cooperation, adaptability, and harmony with the natural world. So, the next time you take a step, pause for a moment and consider the empire that may be lying just beneath your feet. In the world of ants, every day is a masterclass in engineering, teamwork, and survival. It's a reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary things come in the smallest packages, and who knows? The solutions to some of our biggest problems might just be hiding in the tiniest of places, waiting for us to discover them.